डियर स्टूडेंट्स वेलकम बैक टू माय साहानी क्रिएशन एजुकेशनल चैनल। पिलामाने आज आमे परिवर्तित क्वेश्चन पैटर्न अनुଯାयी द बेगार मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन देखिबा। जो मैंने मोर अन्य वीडियो गुड़िक देखिपार नथिबे से माने डिस्क्रिप्शन जाई प्ले लिस्ट रे क्लिक करी देखिपारिबे। आ मध्य पिलामाने चैनल टिकु सब्सक्राइब करिवे, लाइक करिवे और कमेंट मध्य करिवे। तेबे आस आज ये वीडियो टिकु आरंभ करिबा।
Multiple choice questions of the beggar. Question number 1. The beggar told Sergei that he had not 5 kopecks for dash. Option A, his fooding. B, lodging. C, buying a pair of shoes. D, buying a new dress. Answer option B. Number 2. The mendicant said, I have now had an offer of a position in the province of Kaluga. Here mendicant means option A person making humble request, B, a homeless person, C, cheat, D, beggar. Answer option D, beggar. Question number 3. I am obliged to by circumstance. Who was the speaker? Option A, Sergei, B, Olga, C, the beggar, D, the advocate. Answer option C, the beggar. Question number 4. This is swindling. I shall send the police for you. Here swindling means option A, cheating, B, lying, C, betraying, D, surprising. Answer option A, cheating. Question number 5. The beggar's strength had been undermined by dash. Option A, hunger, B, vodka, C, hard work, D, mental strain. Answer option B, vodka. Question number 6. Sending the beggar to chop wood, Sergei hurried into dash. भिखारीटी को काठ चिरिया पठे दे सेर्गेई तरतर गले केउठाकू। ऑप्शन ए द बेडरूम, बी द ड्राइंग रूम, सी द डाइनिंग रूम, डी द किचन। आंसर ऑप्शन सी द डाइनिंग रूम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. द पेसोड टीचर स्कर्ट हिमसेल्फ ऑन डैश एंड लॉस्ट इन थॉट। ऑप्शन ए टिम्बर, बी the ground, C, a bench, D, a log. Answer option D, a log. Question number 8. The advocate was ashamed of himself for having set a dash man to work at a menial labor in the cold. Option A, spoiled, B, drunken, C, sick, D, all the above. Answer option D, all the above. Question number 9. Every time the beggar was received dash from the advocate. प्रतिथर भिखारीटी एडवोकेट ठारू डैश टंका पाउथिला। ऑप्शन ए हाफ ए रुबेल, ऑप्शन बी ए रुबेल, सी 20 to 40 कोपेक्स, डी 40 to 50 कोपेक्स। आंसर ऑप्शन सी 20 to 40 कोपेक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. When did Sergei come to know that the name of beggar was Laskov? केतेबेले सेर्गेई जानिया को पाइले जे भिखारीटीर नाम लक्सव बोली। ऑप्शन ए एट द फर्स्ट मीटिंग, बी आफ्टर चॉपिंग वुड, सी एट द टाइम ऑफ शिफ्टिंग हिज फर्नीचर, ऑप्शन डी आफ्टर मूविंग इनटू न्यू हाउस। आंसर ऑप्शन डी आफ्टर मूविंग इनटू ए न्यू हाउस। Question number 11. After moving into a new house, Sergei gave dash to the beggar. Option A ruble, B half a ruble, C 20 kopecks, D 40 kopecks. Answer option A ruble. Question number 12. I am delighted for your sake. Who was the speaker? Option A Laskov, B Sergei, C Olga, D the beggar. Answer option B Sergei. Question number 13. Do you remember what roasting I gave you? Here roasting means dash. Option A torturing, B beating, C scold, D pushing. Answer option C, scold. Question number 14. Oh, you miserable creature, who said this? Option A, Sergei. B, Laskov. C, the servant. D, Olga. Answer D, Olga. Question number 15. Olga's dash changed the beggar's life. Option A, roasting. B, words. C, noble deeds. D, words and noble deeds. Answer option D, words and noble deeds. Question number 16. At the first meeting, the beggar said to the advocate that he was a dash. Option A, advocate. B, a village teacher. C, singer. D, woodcutter. Answer option B, a village teacher. Question number 17. The beggar informed Sergei that he had not eaten dash. Option A, 2 days. B, 3 days. C, 4 days. D, 5 days. Answer option B, 3 days. Question number 18. The beggar did not have dash kopecks for a lodging. Option A, 3. B, 4. C, 5. D, 6. Answer option C, 5. Question number 19. The beggar informed that he was jobless since dash. Option A, year. B, years. C, 2 years. D, 3 years. Answer option A year. Question number 20. For 8 years I was a school teacher. Who said this? Option A, Sergei. B, the advocate. C, the beggar. D, Olga. Answer option A, Sergei. Question number 21. Sergei was dash by profession. ବୃତ୍ତିରେ ସେର୍ଗେଇ କ'ଣ ଥିଲେ? Option A, a doctor. B, landlord. C, an advocate. D, farmer. Answer option C, an advocate. Question number 22. Sergei recollected that he had seen the beggar dash. Option A, 2 years back. B, yesterday. C, the day before yesterday. D, 2 years ago. Answer option C, day before yesterday. Question number 23. The word intrigue means dash. Option A, secret plan. B, secret words. C, interesting plan. D, interesting games. Answer option A, secret plan. Question number 24. A person who make humble request is called dash. Option A, pleader. B, advocate. C, mendicant. D, suppliant. Answer option D, suppliant. Question number 25. Sergei's eyes fell on the beggar's dash. Option A, ragged and prawn colored overcoat. B, overshoes. C, dull drunken eyes. D, red spot on one cheek. Answer option B, overshoes. Question number 26. In the Sadovya street, the beggar had told Sergei that he was a dash. Option A, beggar. B, school teacher. C, student. D, musician. Answer option C, student. Question number 27. According to the beggar, he had been school teacher for dash year. Answer option A, 5. B, 6. C, 7. D, 8. Answer option D, 8. Question number 28. This is dishonesty, my dear sir. यह असाधुता माई ए महाशय. Who said this? से यह क्या कही? Option A, Sergei. B, beggar. C, the school teacher. D, the student. Answer option A, Sergei. Question number 29. The beggar was actually a singer in a dash. भिखारीटी प्रकृତରେ जड़े गायक, गीत गाइला लोक डैश. ऑप्शन ए, चर्च. बी, स्कूल. सी, थिएटर. डी, रुसियन चोर. आंसर ऑप्शन डी, रुसियन चोर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. लस्कॉफ वाज सेंट अवे फ्रॉम रुसियन चोर ड्यू टू डैश. रुषिया संगीत दलरू लक्ष्य को तड़ी दि जाइथिला कौन पाई? ऑप्शन ए, डिसऑनेस्टी. बी, पोर वॉइस. सी, ड्रंकनेस. डी, लाइंग. आंसर ऑप्शन सी, ड्रंकनेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. I cannot get along without lying. Who said this? ମୁଁ ମିଛ ଛଡ଼ା ବଞ୍ଚିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ ଏକଥା କିଏ କହିଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ସେର୍ଗେଇ, ବି ଆଡ଼ଭୋକେଟ୍, ସି ଓଲଗା, ଡି ଲସ୍କଭ। ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଅପସନ୍ ଡି ଲସ୍କଭ। Question number 32. How would you like to chop wood for me? Who said this? ମୋ ପାଇଁ କାଠ ଚିରିବା କିଭଳି ହେବ? କିଏ ଏକଥା କହିଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଲସ୍କଭ, ବି ସେର୍ଗେଇ, ସି ଓଲଗା, ଡି ୱେବ୍। ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଅପସନ୍ ବି ସେର୍ଗେଇ। Question number 33. ଓଲଗା was the dash of ସେର୍ଗେଇ। ଓଲଗା ସେର୍ଗେଇଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ୱାଇଫ୍, ବି କୁକ୍, ସି ଉଡ୍ କଟର, ଡି ମ୍ୟାନେଜର। ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଅପସନ୍ ବି କୁକ୍, ରୋଷେଇଆ। Question number 34. ଲସ୍କଭ agreed to go to chop wood because dash। ଲସ୍କଭ ରାଜି ହେଲା କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବା କାଠ ଚିରିବା ପାଇଁ କାରଣ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ he was hungry and wanted work, ବି he wanted to do it in pride and shame, ସି he had strength due to intake of vodka, D he was searching for a job। Answer option B, he wanted to do it and pride and shame। Question number 35. Loscoff had actually no inclination for dash। Option A food, B toil, C travel, D teaching। Answer B toil। ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଲସ୍କଫର କ'ଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ନଥିଲା? ଟଏଲ୍, କଠିନ ପରିଶ୍ରମ। Question number 36. Olga glad at Loskov dash। Option A happily, B curiously, C worthfully, D hopefully। Answer option C worthfully। Question number 37. Next, he saw the pesco teacher scat himself on a log in this। pesco teacher means dash। woodcutter, Sergei, Olga, D Loskov। Answer option D Loskov। Question number 38. Sergei's anger vanished when he thought of Loskov as a dash। ସେର୍ଗେଇଙ୍କର ରାଗ ଉଭେଇଗଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଚିନ୍ତା କଲେ ଯେ ଲସ୍କଭ ଥିଲେ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ବେଗାର, ବି ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍, ସି ଟିଚର, ଡି ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ। ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଅପସନ୍ ବି ଏ ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍, ଗୋଟିଏ ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ଲୋକ। Question number 39. A homeless person is called a dash। Option A drunken person, B pesco teacher, C wife, D suppliant। Answer option C wife। Question number 40. When Sergei moved to another house, he hired Loskov dash। ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେର୍ଗେଇ ଅନ୍ୟ ଏକ ଘରକୁ ଗଲେ ସେ ଲସ୍କଭକୁ ଭଡ଼ା ନେଲେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଟୁ କୁକ୍, ବି ଟୁ ଚୁପ୍ ଉଡ୍, ସି ଫର୍ ଗାର୍ଡେନିଂ, D to help in packing and hauling। Answer option D to help in packing and hauling। Question number 41. At last Loskov became a successful dash। Option A notary, B tailor, C cook, D lawyer। Answer option A notary। Question number 42. The beggar told the advocate that for his being a village school teacher he could dash। Option A prove his credential, proof, show him his own papers, C take him to his school, none of them। Answer option B show him the advocate his own papers। advocate को निज कागजपत्र देखा पाए। Question number 43. For the beggar the fact truth was that dash। he was lying, he was a beggar, he was not a student, he was not a village school teacher। Answer option A he was lying। Question number 44. God bless that good and noble woman। Who said this? Option A Sergei, B Olga, C Loskov, D the author। Answer option C Loskov। Question number 45. The woman flung down or threw down violently at the beggar's feet dash। ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକ ଅଲଗା ଜଣକ ଭିକାରୀର ପାଖକୁ କ'ଣ ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଲା? A billet of food, B. An axe. C. A spade. D. A crowbar. Answer option B. An axe. गोटे कुराड़ी. Question number 46. What did Olga announce an hour later? Option A. The beggar had rested himself. She had helped the beggar chop the wood. The wood had all been chopped. She would no longer work with the beggar. Answer option C. The wood had all been chopped. समस्त काठ चिरा जाई थिला. Question number 47. What did Sergei order after hearing from Olga that the wood had been all chopped? Option A. To find some work for the beggar. B. To arrange food for the beggar. C. To give the beggar half a ruble. D. To give the beggar a ruble. Answer option C. To give the beggar half a ruble. Question number 48. The advocate Sergei told the beggar that he was happy for dash. Option A. The beggar no longer drank vodka. B. His word had taken effect. C. The beggar could earn something. D. The beggar had turned into a good fellow. Answer option B. His words had taken effect. Question number 49. What was the cleaner employment Sergei offered to the beggar? Option A. Copying. B. Carrying his letter to a friend of his friend. C. Chopping wood again. D. Writing. Answer option A. Copying. Question number 50. When did the beggar stop coming to his employer Sergei's house? केतेबेले तांग मालिक सेर्गेई घर को आसवा भिखारीटी बंद कर देइतिला. Option A. When he ordered him to leave the place. B. When Lakshap, the pretended beggar, took the letter to his employees, one of his friends. C. When Lakshap claimed that he had no inclination for work. D. When his work was said to be over. Answer है option B. When Lakshap, the pretended beggar, took the letter to his employers, one of his friend. Question number 51. After 2 years, one evening Sergei was seen or found standing at the ticket window of a theatre. Option A. Taking to the theatre owner, paying for his seat. C. Smiling at the people. D. Paying his bill. Answer option B. Paying for his seat. Question number 52. At the ticket window of the theatre, Sergei noticed a little man. Here the little man was dash. Option A. Shadow. B. His brother. C. None of them. C. Laskov. Answer होची option C. Laskov. Question number 53. The little man paid for his seat at the counter in dash. से छोट लोकटी काउंटर टिकेट काउंटर रे कौन पैसा देइथिला सीट पाई. A. Paper money. B. Copper coins. C. Brass coins. D. Rubles. Answer option B. Copper coins. Question number 54. At the ticket window of the theatre, Laskov wore a dash. टिकेट काउंटर निकट रे थिएटर लस्कफ कौन पिंधिला. फेयर कैफ, मेल कैफ, सिल्कस्क्रीन कैफ, लेदर कैफ. आंसर ऑप्शन सी. सिल्कस्क्रीन कैफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 55. आई एम वेरी ग्लैड इंडीड वाज कोटेड बाय डैश. प्रकृत में मुझे भारी खुशी ये कथा किए कही. ऑप्शन ए. ओल्गा. बी. लक्सफ. सी. दी एडवोकेट सेर्गेई. D. None of them. Answer option C. The advocate Sergei. Question number 56. Why was Olga scolded Laksov bitterly? Option A. To stop his drinking habit. B. To bring him to the right path. C. To help him chop the wood. D. None of them. Answer option B. To bring him to the right track. Question number 57. Besides Rubel's once even dash was sent to the beggar. रुबेल मुद्रा व्यतीत एमतीक भिखारी को कौन पठा जाइतिला? ऑप्शन ए लेटर, बी ए पेयर ऑफ न्यू शूज, सी ए बॉटल ऑफ वोडका, डी ए पेयर ऑफ ओल्ड ट्राउजर्स. आंसर ऑप्शन डी ए पेयर ऑफ ओल्ड ट्राउजर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 58. Lakshav told Sergei that as a notary he was paid dash. Option A 20 rubles, B 25 rubles, C 50 rubles, D 35 rubles. Answer option D 35 rubles. Question number 59. Dash address Laskov as a miserable creature. Option A Sergei, option B Volga, C Anton Chekhov, D Lakshav's brother. Answer option A, option B Volga. Question number 60. When Lakshav was going to Woodshed, he was looking like dash. Option A habitual drunken, B a miserable fellow, C a scarecrow, A ghost. ଯେତେବେଳେ କାଠ ଘରକୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ କିଭଳି ଦେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା? ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଏ ସ୍କାରକ୍ରୋ, ଗୋଟିଏ ପାଳଭୂତ ଭଳି. କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 61. ଦ ବେଗାର ୱାଜ୍ ରିଟିନ୍ ବାଇ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍. ବେଗାର ଗଳ୍ପଟି କାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଲେଖାଯାଇଥିଲା? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଲିଓ ଟଲଷ୍ଟୟ, B ପ୍ରେମଚାନ୍ଦ, C ଆଣ୍ଟୋନ ଚେକଭ, D ରୁସ୍କିନ୍. ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଆଣ୍ଟୋନ ଚେକଭ. Question number 62. Sergei got angry with the beggar since dash. Option A he was begging, he was lying. Option C he was drinking. Option D he was stealing. Answer option B he was lying. Question number 63. The beggar said that he was seeing in a Russian chore and was sent away for dash. Option A lying, B swindling, C drunkenness, D dishonesty. Option C drunkenness. Question number 64. Who actually saved the and changed the beggar's life? Option A Sergei, B Sergei's wife, C Olga, D Olga's husband. किए प्रकृत में ओल्गार जीवन रक्षा करिपारथिला एवं परिवर्तन करिपारथिला? आंसर ऑप्शन सी ओल्गा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. Sergei asked the beggar to dash wood for him. Sergei भिखारी को कहते काठ कौन करने पाई? ऑप्शन ए कैरी, बी कलेक्ट, सी चोप, डी पिले. ऑप्शन सी आंसर चोप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. Standing at the dash, Sergei saw the cook and the beggar came out into the yard by the back door. Option A front door, B shed, C window, D back door. Option C window. Question number 67. Who was the escort teacher? Option A Sergei, B Olga, D Laskov, D Sergei's friend. Answer option C Laskov. Question number 68. The beggar had been dash. Option A singer in Russian chore, B a student, C a woodcutter, D a village school teacher. Answer option A singer in Russian chore. Question number 69. After Sergei met Lakshav at the ticket window of a theater, after dash Sergei met Lakshav at the ticket window of a theater. Option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option C 3 years, option D 6 months. Answer option B 2 years. Question number 70. I am happy that my words have been taken effect. Who said this? किए कहते जे मु खुशी जे मोर कथा गुड़िक प्रभाव पकईला? ऑप्शन ए ओल्गा, ऑप्शन बी सेर्गेई, ऑप्शन सी लस्कव, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ देम. आंसर ऑप्शन बी सेर्गेई.